Hello everyone, welcome to AI and BI Hub channel. Today in this video, we are going to explore what is Tableau Pulse. Yes, Tableau Pulse was introduced in a Tableau Cloud 2024.1 and it is an AI powered future for real-time insights and notifications, which means we can create some metrics or insights by using this Tableau Pulse quickly without knowing any technical skills and all. And later on, we can get the updates via Slacks, emails, and Tableau mobile as well. Yes, this Tableau Pulse was already available in the Tableau mobile, easy to go, so that you can explore anything from your mobile only. And this Tableau Pulse provides tailored insights to the right users at the right time, so that it enhances decision making and drives action based on the live data updates. And this is the Tableau cloud site, and here we will trying to explore Tableau Pulse. And if you see the left side, Tableau Pulse option is there. You just click here and you're going to navigate into the Tableau Pulse page, and the page will be look like this. And here you have an option called new metric definition. Just click here, new metric definition, and select the data source, connect it, and just give the name sales over time I'm giving, and description you can give here, and measure I'm just choosing sales, and definition filter, like for example, what is exactly definition filter is like, if I select any particular filter, for example region I'm choosing here and I'm choosing Canada, so this metric is giving you the details about the Canada region only, not about the other regions as well, like that. So it's only specifically Canada region details you will get. So that is the thing, and which is optional. So as of now I'm just removing it. And time dimension, and I'm choosing. And time comparison, you can choose like prior year, prior like that, and primary and secondary comparison also there, which is optional again. And here you have the create advanced definition. So once you click here, and you are going to navigate to a Tableau Viz window like here, and the movement, you can change the measure, time dimension, and filters, drag and drop. So it is going to replace the things whatever you have selected here. For example, you can create a calculated fields also. So actually it will be very helpful, for example, I just want to create a metric on the profit ratio, but I don't have profit ratio column directly in the data source. So I can create that calculated column here, like this. Sorry, sum of what happened, sum of sales by sum of profit. So like this, I can create the profit ratio measure, and this measure I can drag into the measure shelf. Okay, and time dimension, again, I'm giving the order date, for example, here, and filters, I'm giving, for example, category. So the moment choose everything and click OK, and the moment when I click on apply, see, before you apply your selections, make sure that you have added one measure, time dimension, and filters are optional. So after you apply these selections, they will replace the fields in the metric definition and you won't be able to edit them. So apply, apply. See, like this. So if you see, earlier I have chosen the sales, right? So now sales has been replaced with the profit ratio, and I didn't get an option to edit also. See, so this is what exactly the create advanced tab will be useful. So as of now, I'm just choosing the clear selection here, so that I'm resetting everything. And again, I'm choosing measure sales to keep everything simple to understand. And time dimension, I'm choosing order date again. So yeah, this is the thing I have explained just now. Create advanced definition, Tableau is window open. And metric filters, you can add any number of filters you want. I'm just adding region, category, and state, like that. And yeah, so once your metric definition is ready, and you can click on the save definition. And before that, I just want to show you insights pane also. So if you see insights, actually it show you the insights based on your filters and dimensions. The filters whatever you have selected there, that will act as the dimensions. And compared to the last month, sales over time increased by 6.8k New York, like this. Compared to the last month, sales over time increased by 6.8k. See, So in particular region, how much sales got increased, like this. So total insights you will get, and here value going up. Value going up is like, for example, you are creating a metric based on sales and profit. So that time increasing the sales, increasing the profit will be favorable to you. But for example, you are something creating a metric to identify some issues and all. So in that case, particular measure, if that is increasing, that is unfavorable to you. So that you can click on unfavorable, so that it will be useful. This tableau pulse to giving some color combinations based on this favorable, unfavorable, like this. So as of now, I'm choosing favorable. And if you hover here, you can understand each and everything. What are the notifications you can turn off, turn on, like that. Record identify record identifier and current trend thresholds, drop divers, like that. So everything, you can just it's try to explore all these things, and once your definition is ready, and you can just click on the save. Complete the required fields of the insights tab. What is this? So as of now, I don't want to give any record identifier, so I'm just turning off here. Once everything is ready, and just click on the save definition here, and your metric is going to save here. And here you have an option called follow. So the moment you click on the follow, and you'll get the notifications into your particular registered email every day. And also you can manage the followers, like you can add others to follow this metric as well, and you can edit the definition again if you want. And here you have an option called breakdown, and the moment you click on the breakdown, so it will be helpful for you to the break down the sales metrics, actually to do dive into the little bit more based on your adjusting filters and all. If you click on the categories, or category wise, if you click on the country wise too, you can deep dive into the metrics. It means you can break down the things. And yeah, that's all about the this metric. And you can click on the back, and the moment you do, and actually it will come and sit in a following section, because as you just followed this metric. And what exactly browse metrics is, whatever the list of metrics we have defined in this site, so those will be listed out here. This is the overview of the Tableau Pulse. Actually, Tableau Pulse is more useful for the users actually, and especially who need real-time insights without constantly monitoring the dashboards and all. So by setting up the personalized metrics and alerts, users can stay, like informed with daily, weekly, monthly updates directly through their like email, Slack, and Tableau mobile. Right now it is trial version, so I don't get that option, email, Slack, those options. But yes, you can, like get the and send the alerts through email as well, which you can explore if you have that option. And this makes it incredibly helpful for the business leaders actually. If you found this video is valuable to you and helpful to you, and something you get it from this video, please do a like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.